Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question. And today's topic that we're going to be going over is we're going to be talking about the economics of owning a brokerage. We're going to be talking about some of those business brokerage questions. And today's topic is cash flow. So let's take a look at the question. The question is simply cash flow is a term that refers to A, the amount of money flowing into and out of a property. B, the bookkeeping function that accounts for the cash each day. C, taxes, operating expenses, and loan payments on the property. Or D, the total amount of income left after all expenses have been paid. So let's take a couple of these out of the equation. So let's take out bookkeeping function that accounts for the cash each day. Okay, because cash flow is not a daily function. Okay, so we're going to knock out B, and we're also going to knock out C, the taxes, operating expenses, and loan payments on property. So we're left with two options: A, the amount of money flowing into and out of a property, or D, the total amount of income left after all expenses have been paid. So whether we're talking about investment properties, we're talking about the daily business brokerage functions, we're talking about business in general, when we are talking about cash flow, we are talking about D, the total amount of income left after all expenses have been paid. Okay. So, why isn't it A, the amount of money flowing into and out of a property? Because that's more of a balance sheet, showing you expenses, gross operating income, and then your net operating income. Okay. But what we're talking about cash flow, okay, that is the total amount left after all those expenses have been paid. So that is the cash flow. So, guys, I hope you like this question. If you do, remember, you got a job. Please hit that like button, hit subscribe. That does help us out. And I'm going to see you guys real soon.